What are the diagnosis and treatment for bipolar disorder? Number 1, diagnosis. To determine if you have bipolar disorder, your evaluation may include physical exam. Your doctor may do physical exam and laboratory tests to identify any medical problems that could be causing your symptom. Psychiatric assessment. Your doctor may refer to you a psychiatrist who will talk to you about your thoughts, feelings, and behavior patterns. You may also fill out a psychological self-assessment or questionnaire with your permission. Family member or close friend may be asked to provide information about your symptom. Mood charting. You may be asked to keep a daily record of your mood, sleep pattern, or other factors that could help with diagnosis and finding the right treatment. Criteria for bipolar disorder. Your psychiatrist may compare your symptom with the criteria for bipolar disorder and related disorder in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of the Mental Disorder, published by American Psychiatric Association. What are the diagnoses in children? Although diagnosis of children and teenagers with bipolar disorder include the same criteria that are used for adult symptoms in children and teens, often have different patterns and may not fit nearly into diagnostic category. Also, children who have bipolar disorder are frequently or also diagnosed with other mental health conditions such as attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or behavioral problems, which can make diagnosis more complicated. Referral to a child psychiatrist with experience in bipolar disorder is recommended. What are the treatment? Treatment is the best guided by a medical doctor who specialized in diagnosis and treating mental health condition. For example, psychiatrist who is skilled in treating bipolar and related disorder. You may have a treatment team that also includes psychologists, social worker, and psychiatric nurse. Bipolar disorder is a lifelong condition. Treatment is directed at managing symptoms depending upon on your need. Treatment may include medication. Often you will need to start taking medication to balance your mood right away. Continued treatment. Bipolar disorder require lifelong treatment with medication even during period when you feel better. People who skip maintenance treatment are at higher risk of relapse of symptom or having minor mood changes turn into full-blown mania or depression. Day treatment program. Your doctor may recommend a day treatment program. This program provides the support and counseling you need while you get symptom under the control. Substance abuse treatment. If you have problem with alcohol or drugs, you will also need substance abuse treatment. Otherwise, it can be very difficult to manage bipolar disorder. Hospitalization is another option. Your doctor may recommend hospitalization if you are behaving dangerously, you feel suicidal, or you become detached from reality. Getting psychiatric treatment at a hospital can help keep you calm and safe and stabilize your mood whether you are having a manic or major depressive episode. The primary treatment for bipolar disorder include medication and psychological counseling, psychotherapy to control the system, and also may include education and support group. What are the medications? A number of medications are used to treat the bipolar disorder. The type and doses of medication prescribed are based on your particular symptom. Medication may include mood stabilizer. You will typically need mood stabilizer medication to control manic or hypomanic episode. Example of mood stabilizer include lithium, valproic acid, divalproic sodium, carbamazepine, and lamotrigine. Antipsychotic medication include if the symptom of depression or mania persist in spite of treatment with other medication, adding an antipsychotic drug such as olanzapine, clozapine, droperidol, haloperidol, spiroperidol, zespritone, lusacidone are also used. Antidepressant. Your doctor may add an antidepressant to help manage depression because an antidepressant can sometimes trigger a manic episode. It is usually prescribed along with the mood stabilizer or antipsychotic drug. Antidepressant along with antipsychotic. The medication Sembex combine the antidepressant fluoxetine and the antipsychotic olanzapine. It works as a depression treatment and mood stabilizer. Anti-anxiety medication. Benzodiazepine may help with anxiety and improve sleep but also usually use a short-term basis. What are the side effects? Mild side effects often improve. You find the right medication and doses that work for you and your body adjusts to the medication. Talk to your doctor or mental health professional if you have bothersome side effects. Medication and pregnancy. A number of medications for bipolar disorder can be associated with birth defect and can pass through breast milk to your baby. Certain medications such as valproic acid and divalproic sodium should not be used during pregnancy. Also, birth control medication may lose effectiveness when taken along with the certain bipolar medication. Psychotherapy. Psychotherapy is a vital part of bipolar disorder treatment, can be provided in individual, family, or group settings. Several types of therapy may be helpful. These include interpersonal and social rhythm therapy. Interpersonal and social therapy focuses on the stabilization of daily rhythms such as sleeping, walking, mealtime. A consistent routine allow for better mood management. People with bipolar disorder may benefit from establishing a daily routine for sleep, diet, and exercise. Cognitive behavioral therapy. The focus is identifying unhealthy negative belief and behavior and relapsing them with healthy positive one. Cognitive behavioral therapy can help identify what trigger your bipolar episode. You also learn effective strategies to manage stress and to cope with upsetting situations. Psychoeducation. Learning about bipolar disorder can help you and your loved one understanding the condition. Knowing what's going on can help you get the best support, identifies issue, make a plan to prevent relapse and stick with treatment.